Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable flashlight on your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So as a first step, wake up your watch and then click on this side button to go to the control center. And here we can already see the flashlight icon. By clicking on it, you will see this white screen, which is the flashlight by itself. So it's not the standard flashlight that we are used to, but it still works. So I will try to flash my background a little, and as you can see, it works. And also this flashlight has more than only one mode. For example, if we will click on it and then swipe to the left, you can see this blinking white, which can be signal, for example, for SOS or any other. And also here we can find a red background, which is just a red lightning. Here is it how it looks. And the last thing is that with the help of Digital Crown, you can adjust the brightness of the flashlight. You can see it. And let's also try it on white. And this is it. Now to close the flashlight, simply swipe down like this. And that's all for today. I hope this video helps and thanks for watching.